You are with the fourth educational video on Great Expectations by Charles Dickens. Today we are going to analyze the character Pip. As usual, I'm Manusha Tinnakon. I would like to remind you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it for more videos. Content of today's presentation. I would like to analyze the character Pip under the following headings. Who is Pip? Positive characteristics of Pip. Negative characteristics of Pip. Who is Pip? Pip is the protagonist of the novel Great Expectations, and also he is the narrator of the novel. The story is told by the narrator Pip. Sometimes he tells us what happened in the past. Sometimes he tells us what is happening in the present. We as readers become familiar with the story of the novel from Pip's perspective. He narrates the story in first-person point of view. Pip is an orphan. He grows up in the marshland of Kent with his elder sister Mrs. Joe Gargery and her husband, the blacksmith, Mr. Joe Gargery. We as readers follow Pip's journey from being a poor young boy in the countryside to a well-to-do man in London who moves in high society. Let's pay our attention to Pip's characteristics. Pip is a bundle of contradictions. His character contains both negative and positive characteristics. First, we'll pay our attention to the positive characteristics. Kind, sympathetic, and helpful. Pip is basically a kind and helpful person. This quality can be seen throughout his character. As a small boy, he helped Magwitch, the convict whom he met at the graveyard, with food and a file. He did so because he possessed with a kind heart. As a young person, Pip acted out the role of a secret benefactor to help Herbert. As a grown-up person, Pip helped both Biddy and Joe. Pip stayed by Magwitch's side until the end. He treated Magwitch as how a loving son treated his father. Strong will, ambitious, determined. Pip is an ambitious person with a strong will. After being humiliated by Estella as a common laboring boy at Satie's house, Pip decided that he wanted to be uncommon. Intelligent. Pip is intelligent. Pip took Joyce's advice. You must be a common scholar before you can be an uncommon one deeply into his heart. He asked Biddy to help him to be educated. Pip was a good student of Matthew Pocket. He learned everything taught by Matthew Pocket well. Courageous. Pip is very courageous. He is courageous to improve his position. There were two factors which encouraged Pip in his effort. Number 1. His love for Estella. She is a girl of higher social class and he feels unworthy of her and therefore wished to improve himself. Number 2. Coming into money. This allows him to move upwards in society and become a gentleman. Here, what we should keep in mind is that Pip is fundamentally mistaken about both these things. He loves Estella, but she cannot love him in return. The money comes from an unexpected and contaminated origin. Now, let's pay our attention to the negative characteristics of Pip. Ingrate. After he arrives London, he forgets and ignores the people who helped him. He never goes back to his home to see his sister, brother-in-law and Biddy. After coming to London, he went his home for the first time after years to attend his sister's funeral only. At Sadie's house, when Estella says to Pip, "Who is fit for you then is not fit for you now," referring to Joe, Pip agrees and decides not to go to see Joe and Biddy. Unrealistic. Pip has romantic ideas about himself and his future, and also Pip is found daydreaming about events. In his presence, Miss Havisham wants to hear from Estella of all the hearts that Estella has broken, complete with names and details. But Pip blindly interprets this as that two of them will be given to each other by Miss Havisham as a reward. Extravagant. Pip was not frugal in spending money. He spent a luxurious life in London and he dragged Herbert too to the same lifestyle. As a result, he was bankrupt. Ultimately, Joe had paid off Pip's debtors. We have come to the end of today's presentation. We'll meet again with an educational video like this. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Thank you very much.